few moments later.
So good morning everyone. So we are here in the farm harvesting a green beans. I think I already showed this one, the green beans. It's just this one, guys. This one, green and the red one. We have a lot of beans that we're gonna harvest, and please join us as we harvest the green beans. Look at this one. There's a lot of beans, guys. We need to look at nicely, or because if you will not get all of that, it will be mature and we cannot eat that. We can no longer eat that one. Guys, we still have a lot of beans to harvest. Yes, still need a lot of this one, and he's gonna sell that to the lady near in the house. That is the beans that she harvests now, and she still have a lot of beans to harvest. Wala pa ni dire. Okay ra ni? Ano mo daw? Anong way? Active. Pero nagkasot ka ayo. Palit. Diyan. Ito may bunga. We have this one, guys. It's a lot. I think that's already almost that's 2 kilos na siguro mo, no? Kana? Okay. Yes, it's 2 kilos, and we're gonna kill it in the house. They also get it. You get a beans yesterday or the other day. Yes, it's a lot of beans, guys. And also there's a eggplant, but not a lot of eggplants, but still we can use that one. We can cook that one. Tabang dong, ito na dong. Niko. Tabang kaya ito na. Hindi mo kubaluan. Pilihan ng konoy. Iyon ang laga. Ayun ang laya.
Pili ang linghod.
Pili ang makaon niya. Ilabay ang makaon.
saging dia sa ubos. Huwag yung unod.
Ha?
Nahinggan,
Hi
huwag
guys.
yung unod.
Ang
So
sabi
here,
niya.
we're gonna pick the
Daghan na mo kasaha ting.
the beans
Basta
that
daghan
we're
na kuno
gonna
kaysa
use,
ha.
but
Kuhaan.
I wait
sa-
ako na
Huwag na-
wait
Tambok
some
na po
show
kayo.
or
Ha?
Tambok
like this
ra sa siya ba
You're gonna
kayo?
get this one.
Di gyud daghan
The
ni
nice
sa
one.
ting mo na mapiyas.
Uy,
Palit ka ko ninyo batong.
oo na.
Tupi laman.
Naman ang rinday mo na.
Sa sinta lang kilis.
Tinda.
Hmm.
Awan po ka na ako.
Dami na mo na lang na eh.
60 pesos per kilo.
What po lang? Ah, kita.
Mga to dito. Karong kay lubong.
Ha? Karon day lubong si.
Tuan na sila.
Kinsa?
Niyuyuan.
Karon day lubong si Ingkoy.
Karon?
Kadali man.
Wa man ni balsamar. Kay kuno way kuan sa doktor.
Oy, kuan sa.
Saan eh? Way, ang sani sa doktor ba? Wa mo na siya mag-agig doktor.
Nya
Dili,
day
dili pwede nga pwede mo na.
Pwede man.
Di, basta no. Wala lang sila.
Okay ra to palayo. Araw ka pawa.
Wala dalam na intay.
Amo ta sa man.
Kuyog dalam sa isaw. Ang kubra diba?
Ay, to tingi kon kang andi na.
Mag-ilis pa lang.
Karon day lubong si Ingkoy no. Ako kay ba? Sana kailan sa to.
She will use this one, that one as a string to tie this one per kilo.
pa'y karga, taxi kung mahal ko.
Hi everyone, welcome to channel.
What are you doing?
I ride this horse.
Karong video.
I'm there.
Hold it nicely. Hold it.
Hi everyone, we're going to Rico.
Ada sa tayo, unong tayo. Boy na natin. Boy na, boy.